Thomas Edison, the man who never called it failure. Thomas Edison was expelled from school as a boy, with a teacher calling him too slow to learn. His mother pulled him out and taught him at home instead, where his mind was free to wander and wonder. That wandering curiosity turned into a lifelong habit of experiment. As a young man, Edison filled notebooks with ideas, wired up makeshift labs, and tested anything he could get his hands on. When Edison set out to invent a practical electric light bulb, he didn't get it right on the first try, or the 100th, or the 1000th. He tested thousands of materials for the filament, one after another, watching each one fail. Before we get to the part where it finally works, if you're into stories about people who refuse to quit, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps this channel keep going. Most people would have called it quits. Edison called it data. He famously said he hadn't failed. He'd simply found thousands of ways that didn't work. That reframing of failure as feedback, not defeat, was the real breakthrough behind his eventual success. His persistence finally paid off when he found a filament that could glow for hours without burning out, turning his lab's invention into a product that would light up homes around the world. Edison's story isn't really about the light bulb. It's about what happens when someone refuses to let failure be the final word. Vocabulary and context. Experiment. A scientific test carried out to discover something failure. Lack of success, often on the way to eventual success invention. A device or process created through original thought persistence, continuing firmly despite difficulty or opposition.